If you've seen people claiming they're getting free stuff from Temu using free gift codes, you're probably thinking, does this actually work? Or is it just another internet trick? So in this video, I'm giving you a real review of Temu free gift codes, based on how the system actually works. Before we start, I've placed the latest Temu free gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment if you want to test it yourself. Now let's answer the real question. Does Temu free gift code actually work? The honest answer is yes, but not the way most videos show it. Temu does have real promotions where users can receive items or discounts, but it's not a simple enter code arrow, get free item instantly. It's a structured reward system. Some sources confirm that Temu free gifts are legit promotions, but they often require specific actions or conditions to unlock rewards. What's really happening behind the scenes? Temu's free gift system is designed to increase engagement, encourage new users, promote activity inside the app. It's not a giveaway, it's a marketing system. In many cases, rewards depend on things like activity timing, promotion type, sometimes referrals. In fact, some systems rely heavily on user actions or new signups to unlock rewards. Why it feels fake to many people. This is where most confusion comes from. 1. Unrealistic expectations. People expect instant rewards, but Temu doesn't work like that. 2. Missing conditions. Some rewards require completing steps, reaching thresholds, or qualifying for campaigns. 3. Viral content. Misleading you. TikTok and YouTube videos often cut out the process, so it looks instant when it's not. 4. Fake codes and scams. Some codes online are not even real. Scammers use fake promotions to trick users into clicking links or sharing data. What real users say from community discussions. It's not a scam, but you have to qualify for it. And that sums it up perfectly. The honest verdict. So here's the truth. Clearly, Temu free gift codes are real promotions. People do receive items or discounts, but it requires correct setup plus conditions, and it's not guaranteed for everyone, in my honest take. Think of it like this. Not fake, not magic, not instant. It's a conditional reward system. Final advice, if you want to try it, use the code on screen, follow the proper steps, and go in with realistic expectations. And if you've already tried it, comment below. Did it work for you or not? I genuinely want to know your experience.